Morning guys, March 16, 2025. It's Sunday morning. I got a call from a lady. I mean, it's not even that cold out, but she wants me to go by and find out why she got no heat. She got a dog over there. She's concerned about the dog. I mean, it's pretty flippin' warm. I'm not even wearing a coat, but she still wants me to come out on a Sunday. So, that's fine. I mean, more money on a Sunday than it is during the week. And I told her my rates. I have adjusted my rates recently and charging more per hour. I did raise my rates. Everything's flipping gone up, so I said I might as well up my rates a little bit and kind of be more in line with everybody else. I'm $140 an hour now and $160 and $180. So today would be $180. $160 would be like Saturday. $180 would be Sunday. I think I got a 200 rate too. It depends on what it is, but an old lady, I might give her a break on the labor. We'll see. She got oil. She says she got oil in a tank. It's an oil burner, so it might be something simple. I'm not sure. I asked if she ran out of oil. She said no. So, I mean, it could be anything. We'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. Yeah, we got oil, so that's not an issue. It's all this shit on the bottom here. Yeah, I don't see any leaks. You're lucky so far.
So far. Oh, I can't reach it.
So far, so good.
Yeah. I'm gonna get a dump sticker so I can start.
Hard lockout says. Alright, we'll figure out what's going on with it. Hard lockout on the control there. See it?
Oh! I never knew to look.
It could be this transformer's bad. We'll figure out what's going on. How long has it been since I've been here? Alright, yeah, so
you're supposed
not even a year.
Right.
That transformer most likely is bad. That's what I'm thinking, but we'll find out.
Something from the furnace burning, and I'm saying, oh my God. I come down here and check. Nothing, everything was okay. And then now, it just died. I got up this morning, I said, I put new batteries in there. Can't be that.
I would think it's this transformer, but we'll find out. We'll find out.
Oh, I don't want a new furnace.
This is a boiler.
Both
This is a boiler. Furnace has no water in it.
Okay, boiler.
Yeah, so it's a...
Okay.
When they say furnace, they mean hot air furnace.
Oh, no.
So a boiler has water in it. That's the difference. Little education this morning.
So this is a furnace.
Nothing wrong with that, right?
Right.
It can't be too cold in the house. I mean, it's flipping pretty warm outside.
63 in the house.
53?
63.
63.
I was wondering why the puppy
Alright, we'll
was
see. We'll put a gauge.
crawling underneath the blankets so much last night. I'm saying, what's the matter with you?
Oh, the dog?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll see if we get any pressure. And then we'll check the transformer. I bet you it's that. That's what I'm thinking about. We'll find out. We'll be able to flip this and check the spark. I'm thinking that's what it is, but maybe not. See if we can get a...
I looked at the date on that thing. I think it was, that furnace was put in 2015.
Reset, 2, 3, 1, call for heat. We got oil pressure. That ain't looking bad.
Oh, the thermostat's working. It's lit. Calling for heat.
We got pressure. Looks like your boiler's relief valve's dripping there. See it in the bucket?
Oh, I just put that down.
Yeah, there's something's going on there with that.
I just put that down because I had put it on the other side for the chimney. When we get a bad rainstorm, sometimes the
Oh yeah,
chimney
we got some carbon. We got some carbon on the electrodes. See the carbon on the electrodes?
Oh, yeah.
See it?
What causes that? Just being bad?
Might just be some shit on there. You see that carbon on there? That was on the electrodes there?
What causes that though? The oil? Because the furnace was clean.
You can clean them and see what happens. Sometimes the burner head needs a... I cleaned it last time I was here, but it's been about a year.
Yeah, because August was when before August I called you. Because you like to come in the summer months. It's not too busy. And you don't have to put air conditioners in. I should have known this was going to happen.
Well, I mean, it's anything could happen, right? I mean, that's just how it is.
Well, when it started,
It's kind of weird.
A little bit. I should have.
Kind of weird the way it was, kind of carbon-y, but let's see if it fires. Might be like post-nasal drip. You ever get that?
Oh yeah. My allergies. Oh boy.
We'll give it a little bit. We'll give it a little bit more.
That's why we changed to oil heat, because I had forced air. That was a mess all the time. And when they took all the stuff out from the ceiling, you should have seen all the dust in those things.
I like to raise the pump pressure up a little bit. I don't know why they have this flipping this damper in here. We'll leave it.
Well, the last time you were here was in August of last year. Here's the signature right up here. He said something about the nozzle flow at pump.
Oh, I changed the nozzle and the filter and all that shit.
And it said flow at pump, clean burner head.
See if it fires up.
It's a good thing you left me your card. Put it
Should
right on the
fire up.
refrigerator in case I need it.
Oh yeah, yeah. You never know, right? We'll give it a little bit more pressure. Call for heat. Fired right up. Oh, you got that carbon on the electrode, so it wasn't sparking because it had carbon on it. That's an easy fix. No, it ain't nothing you were doing. It's just... What happens? We get old and crusty, right? Yeah. We get old and crusty. That's still young. That's still a young woman, only 82. You got a ways to go. Huh?
I'm probably 94.
That ain't bad.
All her models.
Good for her. Alright, so it just needed a little how you doing, that's it.
Okay.
No big deal.
Okay. So, can you take a check?
Yeah. You can hear that thing flipping sparking there. Not a big fan of these transformers. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't when they get older.
Yeah, that furnace was meant to be.
It's a boiler. The furnace don't have water in it, right? Alright. Well, how come this is off?
I don't touch that stuff.
That's the basement zone, maybe.
Oh, yeah. Well, wait a minute.
Is that why it's off?
Basement zone, and there's something up here.
Yeah, but see, why is this off?
That's probably the basement, because we don't need the basement.
Yeah, but you don't need it off. Well, you just, if you leave the thermostat off, it won't work. I don't know why this was off.
The thermostat stay.
But the basement zone is off. Might as well turn it down all the way. We don't want it running. If the ball valve's off, we don't want it running. Give it a little bit less. I don't think that drawer assembly's set right. I'm gonna check that. I don't think the drawer assembly's set right on that. Let me check something. It looks like it's, I don't think it's set right while I'm here. Something right on it. I'm gonna check that. And I don't know why they have this flipping plate in here. I don't really like that either. While I'm here, I'm gonna see, we're right here now. That's where we're at now. I was curious on where that drawer assembly is. I think it's off. I think it's too far in. Needs to come back some. And this could be why the drawer assembly's in too far, maybe. We'll check it. See where we're at here and see where this thing is. I'm thinking that it's off, but yeah, it's definitely off. It's gonna come back. Well, no, that's right where it needs to be, right where it was. It's okay. While I'm here, I'm going to change this nozzle because the spray pattern might be off a little bit. See, while I'm here, and change the nozzle. Well, I mean, it shouldn't have carboned up like that, right? It might have a weird spray angle.
Every winter is always something. We didn't really pay attention to it because Petro used to come all the time, and they used to do all kinds of things.
Yeah, and some about it. I remember you were talking about they were charging you a real lot for the service or something, and you were on a plan where you couldn't get, your husband wanted the plan and you didn't want it or something. Remember?
Yep.
I got a good memory.
Yep.
I remember.
Yeah, and I couldn't I couldn't cancel it because it was a contract that.
Yeah, it was a contract. That's right. Yep. I remember.
Well.
Good memory. I got a good memory, but it's short.
My memory is all kaput.
Really?
Yeah.
Not me.
My mother was pretty good. She, right to the end, she knew everything.
Well, that's good. You don't want to lose your flipping marbles.
She,
Do you? No.
no.
You don't want to lose your marbles. Not anytime soon, anyway. What kind of dog you got?
Right now it's a pug.
Oh, pug.
I had Shih Tzus before that. Didn't know that.
What's bad?
This breed, pug, they're very stubborn. They have a mind of their own.
Oh, the pug's stubborn?
Pug, yeah. Training hasn't been going too well.
What?
The training bit, you know.
Oh, the training hasn't been going so well?
Finally I got this place in Ventura Drive.
Alright, so that's right where it needs to be set, right where it was. So I just wanted to check it while I'm here. Make sure everything's good. We'll put a new nozzle.
Do I have to call you again in August?
Well, I'm doing it now.
Oh, okay. Write it down on my phone, the jig, so I won't be buzzing you. Like I said, I don't have a memory.
No, I'll be alright. Do it now. Nozzle, at least a nozzle.
Like I said, I figured something was going to happen because...
To the start, if the filter was really bad, you'd hear it choking, like, you know, trying to run and not run. That's not the case. We're getting a good flow, so... We'll put a new nozzle in it, clean the burner head, raise the pump pressure up a little bit. And
it started making all kinds of freaking noises, and then it would start, stop, start up again for a little while. Then
that could be the controls. That could be a main operating control, but right now, let's see how it fires. Call for heat. Fire it up nicely. Not the greatest boiler, I mean, as far as they're pretty tight. There's not a lot of room in there, these little boilers. That's why they got that plate in there. They're not the greatest. They don't give you a lot of room, these Wild McLeans. It's a little tiny 2-section. There's always an issue with these as far as flipping draft goes, because they're not the greatest. Oh, you got gas. You could probably go gas. If it was me, I would switch over to gas. Why go oil? You got gas in here, right? Yeah.
But it's cheaper.
Gas has gone up, but...
Oh yeah, 25%.
Alright, new burner nozzle, clean burner electrodes, check draw assembly, raised oil pump pressure, reset air band. I mean, don't spend the money unless you have to. That's my motto.